At RecurPost, we frequently get asked a question that when I go to my libraries and then I go to my schedule, so I don't have any here, let's go to this one. So this is my RecurPost blog sharing library. If I want to see when is something going to go out, what is going to go out, how can I see that? So that answer is here on the Your Schedules page. On this page, you will see what's scheduled. So as you can see here, I'm posting on these 4 accounts every day at 7:30 p.m. So this library will post one post on all of these 4 platforms. If you want to see exactly which post is going to go out, you can click on the library calendar and it will show you date-wise which post is going to go out. This is the end of the month, so if you want to see further, go to the next month and you'll see June 1st, June 2nd, June 3rd. We show you what's going to go out this month and till the end of next month. So you can see that far in advance. Now, one question that we get sometimes is people ask, hey, what month is this scheduled for? So remember, this is your repeating schedule. This repeats week after week, or if you have a monthly schedule, like first of the month, second of the month. So if you add a new post here on second of the month, then it will go out on day 2 of every month. Similarly, this will go out every Monday at 7 p.m. So since this is repeating, it doesn't really matter which month you're looking at. The only thing that matters is how many posts do you have in your library. So if you have one post and you have these many schedules, then the same post will go out on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So every day you will have the same post going out. To quickly summarize, you have a lot of libraries. Each library can have one or more posts, and once you have posts in your library, you can go to schedule, your schedule tab, and you can add schedules. There is one more thing that might come handy. So when you go to your schedule, you will only see schedules for this library. If you want to see schedules for every library, click on the filter tab where you could filter by social accounts and click on show for all libraries. And it will show you all of the schedules. So this is your comprehensive strategy. So if you want to see how many you're posting on, for instance, let's say this account, click on that. So then nothing is going out on that account, right? Then if I want to see how many things are going to go out on, let's say, my LinkedIn company page. So I'm posting 2, one from the other people's content library and one from the comparisons library. They are both going out Monday through Saturday at the best possible time for that account. So again, if I go back, I will go back to the same library. If you don't remember how to go there, click on filter and then click on show for all libraries. So this will show you schedules for every library. And if you wanted to filter by accounts, just click on the account here and it'll show you schedules only for that account. So that's how it works. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thank you.